little different than last time. I took out this bolt. Hold on, I'm looking for the other one. And I broke it. I thought it was loosening, and I was super excited. And then it snapped, and then it broke. So I loosened that, which connects to there and here. This is how the book says to do it. It's going to be on the bottom of the control arm, and that's the ball joint that goes in there. Took out the pinch bolt. Had gloves on this whole time, but decided I'd show you guys this. So typically I see people taking out their camber bolt and their other strut bolt, and I don't know if I've seen them take out the tie rod or not. I don't remember, but we're trying it the way the book says, which isn't too bad until you break a bolt, but 20 years does that to you. As you can tell, it is very dirty, covered in CV grease everywhere. Let's see, is that better? So that's obviously my boot. It's grease, mud and grease. The fresh stuff is either going to be PB Blaster or power steering fluid, which is leaking there. So I'll eventually replace that. Okie dokie, all done. New one. Let's see if I can get better lighting on it. Alrighty guys, so wasn't too bad taking out the pinch bolt on the ball joint, and then that bottom bolt. So since I broke it, I went to my store down the street, got a 10.9 metric bolt, and then I got a nylock. It didn't come with a nylock, but I got a nylock because that's what the store had. And to get the ball joint back in, oops, I put my little scissor jack about under there. I can't reach it from here. So I put scissor jack under the control arm, pushed it back in. I did hammer on the control arm just to kind of, like on the sides, to kind of wiggle the bottom of that ball joint back into there. And then I tightened up that pinch nut bolt. Yeah, so far so good. I actually ended up putting the other end in first. No, I lie. I put this side in first, and then I put in the other side, which was pretty simple considering I did the other way last time, and it was almost impossible to actually flex this end back into the hub. So the only struggle I had was aligning up the hole for the roll pin, but it wasn't too bad this time. I think I like this much better than taking off that and that and then that and then damaging possibly my brake hose, where this just kind of hung up with that, so I didn't have to. The easiest part was I just had to push down the control arm to wiggle around the knuckle, and then since I disconnected that, everything moved around. Just easy peasy.